Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to check if a car has been in an accident online. In this quick tutorial, let's go over how to check if a car has been in an accident online in the USA. First, find the vehicle's VIN, usually located on the front windshield or driver's side dashboard. Once you have the VIN, open your preferred browser and go to your car history or accident check website. Many of the services are paid, but they tend to provide the most accurate reports. Enter the VIN on the website, follow the prompts, and provide payment if required. The report will show important details, including past accidents, owners, and any salvage history. Some free websites also offer basic VIN reports, which can give you accident and ownership info, though they may be a less comprehensive. This method allows you to quickly and reliably see a vehicle's accident history before making a purchase. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.